Today, you will learn how to add hyperlink in Word to another section of the same document. First, open your Word document on your laptop. Now, go to the section where you want the link to jump. Click at the beginning of that heading or paragraph. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert, then click Bookmark. Type any simple name for this section, like Section 1 or Heading 1, and click Add. This tells Word where the hyperlink should go. Now, move to the text where you want to create the clickable link. Select the words you want people to click. After selecting the text, press Ctrl-K on your keyboard or right-click the text and choose Link. A new window will open. On the left side, click Place in this document. You will see the bookmark name you created. Select your bookmark, then click OK. That's it. Now when someone clicks this text, Word will jump to that section instantly. So yes, you have successfully learned how to add a hyperlink in Word to another section of the same document. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching.